let's talk about the business philosophy, which is essential and really important for any type of business. We are going to see what components it has and how to create them. Obviously, you are going to apply this for your own company, the one that you already create, okay? The business philosophy will give you guidance about how to behave in your own business. It's a set of beliefs and principles that a company strives towards. So it's basically that the beliefs, the principles, what do you want to achieve, how you're going to behave in your company. This is something referred to as a mission statement of the company, vision. It's basically that. If we think about philosophy, we have to think about vision and vision of the company. It is essential to the company's operational blueprint. It's like every single company, every single business in the world have their own company. Every single company has their own vision and values, and it's like the identification. It's like the blueprint. It's como la huella dactilar, like it's like that. There is not an equal mission and vision in any business. So they are all different. Explain the company's overall goals and its purpose. It's basically that. What is the purpose of your business? Why you create your business? What is the goal? What do you want to achieve? So that is the philosophy of your company and the business business goals, business values, business ethics. It's like that. What are the components? We have three main components. Some others company has more than three, but we are going to explain three main ones. The first is the mission. Describes the picture of the company in the future. So every facet of your business, the mission is like that. You have to like close your eyes and imagine the picture, what you are going to be like in the future. How you are going to see the company, your employees, the place where you are going to provide the service, the products. You have to create that picture in your mind. How do you visualize your company in the future? Every facet, you must include everything there. Your employees, your production, the manufacturing, the service, the place, the colors, everything that you want to achieve in the future. The vision is how the company intends to make that future into a reality. The how, this is basically the vision. How you are going to do it. Okay, I have my picture. I want to be the best company in the world, but how you are going to do it. So the vision is going to give you the guide. It's like the book that you're going to follow, the steps that you're going to follow to create the mission, okay? That is okay, you have the mission, but how you're going to apply this into reality, okay? Now, the values are the code of ethics. So every single person has your own code of ethics, and also the companies and the business, they need to have their values. They need to have the ethics, okay? Okay, for example, I am a responsible person. I am creative person. So my code of ethics is like that. Responsibility, it's creativity, but you as a different individual, you have your own code of ethics. So this can be co-authored by employees. So at the moment that the owner of the CEO starts writing the philosophy, you have to take into considerations the opinions of your employees. Why? Because the employees are the ones who face the customers. It's not the CEO. The CEO is on their desk, basically doing another paperwork, but who is every single day in front of the clients, in front of the customers, are the employees. So they have ethics, they have some codes or values, and you have to take into consideration their opinions. For illustrating you an example, let's talk about Google philosophy. So Google write down really nice mission, vision, and values, and we are going to explain them. The mission of Google is, our mission is to organize the world's information and make it useful and accessible to everyone. So remember that the mission is the picture of the company in the future. So the mission of Google is to organize all the world's information. That is the mission. What is the purpose of Google? Is like that. It's organize it and make it useful and accessible for everyone. this is the way they picture Google in the future. What is the vision? So how they are going to do this? Google's corporative vision is to provide access to the world information in one click. So how they are going to make information useful and accessible? Providing the access just in one click. So this is the how. So these are related. This is the picture, how they visualize themselves as a company, and their vision is how they are going to achieve this. So they are linked, they are connected. And what are the values of Google? Focus on the users. So as you can see, the most important thing for Google is the users. It's the best to do one thing really well. So they don't want to provide some specific service. They want to do it really well. Fast is better than slow. So for them, it's good to be fast. They want to be really fast in providing information. Democracy on the work. So democracy here, take opinions of every single person. You don't need to be at your desk, you need an answer. So here is, for them, important thing is to provide answers. You can make money without doing evil. So over here, they are really ethic, and they want to do the things well without doing evil. There's always more information out there. So every single thing that is written, and the values are the ethics, the values, the identity of Google, what they want, how they behave, how the employees behave. So over here you have the answers. What they want to be, they want to do the things well, they want to be fast, they want to establish democracy, they want to provide answers, they want to do good, not evil. And here is an example of how you are going to establish this, how you are going to illustrate this. As you can see in the center, we have the vision, then we have the mission. As I said, they are connected. And around them, we have the values, okay? We have some specific ethics that the company follows. So over here, we have this example, and this is the way you are going to create your own mission, your vision, and the values. And remember, mission is how do you see your company in the future. The vision is how you are going to achieve that. And the values are the ethics, the moral things that you're going to follow, and that your employees need to follow.